Greetings, Josh Uhas, Senior Account Manager, Graco Incorporated. I'm excited here today to present to you some purpose-built products that we've developed called SaniSpray. We are proud to say these are built in the United States, and they are hitting on the new demand that's out there for disinfectant applications. The two that I'm going to talk about are for heavier duty, a little bit more volume than the handhelds that we also offer. The first one I want to get into is called the HP 65. Let's take a quick look. When you purchase one of these, right out of the box, it's ready to go. You receive a 50-foot section of hose, and you receive your airless gun. The gun is ergonomically very comfortable, so if you find yourself spraying for a couple of hours, you're not going to fatigue. There's not really a weight issue here. I think you'll find it's a very comfortable tool to hold on to while you put your disinfectant on. Now, getting into the sprayer, taking a look at this, it has a 1.5 gallon hopper. This is where you add your material. And from the hopper, it will feed into a pump, and from the pump, it sends the product out to a hose. And again, you're not just stuck with 50 feet here. You could add up to 300 foot if you choose to. The thing that's nice about it, it's highly portable. It's actually a very lightweight design, so you could even put this in the back of your car, transport it somewhere, and disinfect in multiple locations. Recommended for about 50 gallons a week. If you do more than that, nothing's going to happen, but just it's a recommendation that we make. If you find yourself spraying more than 50 gallons a week, we have another sprayer here. It's called the HP 130. And the nice thing about this, it's built a little differently. Obviously, it's on wheels, a little heavier duty than the 65. It comes with 2 guns, and it comes with 2 sections of 50-foot hose. I envision somebody using this at a hockey arena, or maybe there's just a large open space and you want 2 people to go. You could just use 1 person as well, but just a heavier duty design. Now, this is recommended for up to 100 gallons a week. And by the way, that's a lot of disinfectant. In the paint world, it's not, but with disinfectant, yes, it is. Both of these sprayers, they're really intended for disinfectant only. The innards, the fluid sections, they are purposely designed for disinfectant products only. Also, they only will build up to 1,000 psi. That is not any more pressure is needed when you're spraying products like disinfectants. Actually, it could be detrimental for the performance of your disinfectant to go higher than that. Also on these products, you'll get 3 different style tips. These are the LP tips. So each of these comes with 3 tips, and you can achieve a fine, a medium, or a coarse rate of application. You decide what it is you want to disinfect. You have the ability to achieve any one of those types of fan patterns. If you'd like to learn more about these products, please reach out to your local authorized Graco distributor. They'll be happy to help you, or you can reach out on social media. We have a lot of videos and a lot of product information out there about these products.